Hello, here's a flower arrangement we made following my tutorials on michaelsflowergarden.com. Simple design, hydrangeas, sunflowers, and Queen Anne's lace and solidago done in a mass flower design. There you go. Michael's Flower Garden, providing the greatest flowers in the world FedExed overnight from mostly California farms with tutorials on how to design bouquets like this. You can do this. We also include a bottle of my magic spray to spray on top to seal your flowers all around. We also have the tutorials you can watch when you open your box. You'll see various styles of design you can do following my free online classes. So michaelsflowergarden.com. Wait for that box. It's coming. This is Michael Gaffney from michaelsflowergarden.com or American School of Flower Design at flowerschool101.com, telling you to keep blooming and get those designer genes running. Thanks. Bye-bye.